But he's good because he's have no covered gate.
Woo! Remind me, we'll have to get those mats in here or we're gonna jack up this truck really bad.
Anyways.
Hey, we're in the rain.
Yeah.
Lots of it.
And it's been raining like this for what? 2 days? 3 days?
Yep.
Yep.
2-3 days.
So, yeah, it's been fun. Power's out right now, actually. Correct?
It is.
It is.
Since 1 in the morning. Yeah, get it on. What's that guy doing?
Right now we're on our way across the border into San Diego just to do a little bit of shopping. This is the road we take. It's a wet road. You got anything to say, Bobby?
Yes, you have to be very careful on this road because rocks tend to fall off the mountainside and it's very wet and flood in the lower areas
Where we're going, so it might be. Well, that concludes a day in San Diego, and it's still a bit wet here. So good night, all.
Good night, y'all. Keep your feet dry.